Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use a Pluxee card at Reliance Smart. First, make sure your Pluxee card is activated and has enough available balance before visiting the store. Also, make sure your assigned benefit is eligible for grocery or meal purchases. Then go to your nearest Reliance Smart store and pick the eligible food and grocery items you want to purchase. Now take your items to the billing counter. Here, let the cashier scan all of your products and prepare your final bill. Next, tell the cashier that you would like to pay using your Pluxee card. If your store supports Pluxee OTP payments, provide the mobile number linked to your Pluxee account. Then wait for the OTP to arrive on your registered mobile number. Now share the OTP with the cashier to complete the transaction. If your store accepts physical Pluxee card payments, simply follow the cashier's instructions to complete the payment using your card. After that, wait for the payment to be processed. Once the payment is successful, collect your receipt and confirm that the correct amount has been deducted from your Pluxee balance. If your payment is declined, check that your card is activated, has sufficient balance, and that you're purchasing eligible food items. Some Pluxee meal benefits can only be used for food and non-alcoholic beverages at affiliated merchants. You can also check your remaining balance anytime through the Pluxee app before your next purchase. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.